New York City. We're at Boston.
Where in Boston?
No, we're in Massachusetts.
In Massachusetts? And what is this building?
It's called the Andover condominiums.
The Andover condominiums. This is where we live?
Yeah.
Did we? Is that our apartment right over there?
Yeah, Mr.
Don't bump into me. It's got the camera will move.
It's terrible, then. Let's go. My teeth are going.
Where's that door go? Where does that door go?
Stairs. Yeah. Daddy!
That's where we park the car?
Uh-huh.
Inside that door goes up, huh?
Yeah.
Now what else do we have?
We have a fifth floor, and we have a fourth floor, and a third floor, and a second floor, and a first floor. And one more floor!
There's another one of our windows right there. Now where do you go? You go down this hill here?
Yeah. And we hang on to that branch.
Stacy,
What?
now where are we now? Behind the building?
Yeah.
And this is the hill you slide down and get all dirty?
Yeah. Daddy, I want to go inside the building.
Okay, let's go find the front door, okay?
No, Dad.
Okay, start it up, Scott. Okay, go open the door, Scott. Go walk in. Show us what it's like. That's where we get our mail. And where do we put our mail? Where did we put our mail? Right there? Are we in the elevator? Okay, here we are in our ranch.
Can I go up to Dad's stuff?
Okay, who's going to show me the kitchen?
Me!
Okay, is this our kitchen?
Yes. Yes.
Now, what do we got in our kitchen? Oh, we got all kinds of good stuff.
Food.
We have food.
And we have pie.
Uh-huh.
And Scott's birthday cake.
And there, let's see what we got for Scott's birthday. Oh, look at that, a cake. What's this here?
This is the microwave.
Oh, that's the microwave. Open it up, show us inside the microwave.
No, don't show inside the microwave.
Hurry, open it up. Maybe there's something surprising there. No, oh shoot. This is what you say? This is the high chair? Okay.
This is the table.
That's our table. What do we do at the table?
We eat. We go like this. Oh!
Okay, now what else do we have? What's that? Oh, we have a hallway. Now, where are you, Stacy? Whose room is that?
Mommy's.
That's Mom's room?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mom. And here.
Where?
And here.
Okay, what's in there?
It's a brain. Nose. Nose is in here.
There's Nosy Bear, okay. Now, who sleeps here? Is this Scott's bed?
No, that's Chrissy's.
Chrissy sleeps there?
Terrible. Yeah. This is my bed.
Okay. Now, what's over here?
This is my bed.
Stacy sleeps there?
Oh, baby.
And Scott sleeps up there.
Yeah.
About that. There's all our junk. Scott fell out of bed.
What?
How come we don't have the ladder up?
I don't know.
You think- Why isn't the ladder up, Stacy?
Huh?
How come the ladder's not up?
Oh, I put up the ladder.
No, don't put it up. Why don't we put it up?
Because Christy climbed up here.
Because Christy the troublemaker? Now, who is that?
Christy.
Scott. We'll pull her arm off. Oh! Oh! Oh, we had an accident. Okay, what's in here? Here's the bathtub.
Okay, I'm going to take a bath.
Daisy's taking a bath. Who's that? Oh, look at that. There's our sink. There's the toilet paper and the garbage can.
And the toilet.
There's Christy.
I'm going to
Okay.
take a shower.
You're going to take a shower? Turn on the light, Stacey, so we can see in there. There's our closets, never shut correctly. Look at that. Never. Okay. All right, what do we got in here? Where's Stacy? Okay. There's our shower.
Yeah, I'm going to take a shower.
And we have a hole in the shower.
What's this? How
about
come there's
that?
a hole in the shower?
I don't know. The family room. And there's a TV. Okay. There's our lamp and our sofa. What's this? There's our door. What's in here?
Stacy, you can't watch.
Oh, and there's our.
I have 2 fingers.
There's Mom's nutcracker. Oh, this is just so interesting. Walk down the hall. And where are we going?
We're going down to the lobby. Now I push the buttons. Wait!
I'm just going to show the lobby from here. No, why are you pushing up? We want to go down. Which
I
one?
push all the buttons.
Which one's going to open?
I think it is that one. I was right.
Okay, let's hop in. What?
I'll show you something.
Just a minute.
It's cold down here.